Jai Shri Guru Bhagavat. Shuddha Yogi, pure yogi. Prabhu Matta, God intoxicated. The second type is the God intoxicated ones, fortified with divine power. They remain in the state of divine intoxication, Unmata Sthiti, at home, in the forest, or in solitude. Oblivious of the society, of the surroundings, or of his own self, he laughs at times or he weeps at times. In a moment, he is united with God. In another moment, he is anguished with a sense of separation. Like an insane person, he roams about in lanes and by lanes with unsteady steps. The condition of the Prabhu Matta is like a person fully intoxicated even without having taken any alcohol. One who is God intoxicated becomes a subject of ridicule in the society. After death, they are welcomed in the abode of God. One who is a servant of God, what harm can the world cause to him? He gets food platters from some, whereas from others he only gets rebukes and rebuffs. One whose mind is absorbed in God, for him it is all the same. When in a state of God intoxication, tears start rolling down from the eyes of the devotee. Compassionate blessing of the Guru fills him with strong confidence. His actions are invariably for the welfare of the living beings. Even if he utters rude language, it becomes a blessing in disguise. Everywhere he experiences God and his divine sports, Leela, both in living and non living. He only sees the divine form of God and his soul becomes all pervading. At times, he talks incoherently. He talks with animals. They abundantly water the trees and creepers with lot of love and affection. In order to stay secluded, such yogis resort to various pretexts. Sometimes they create deliberate nuisance and sometimes they pelt stones. Since such yogis appear to be extremely dangerous, others observe them from a distance, but only a few approach them. Only the one who is in search of his guru will approach them without fear. Devotees with a pure mind visit such places. Even when tolerating the rebukes and physical assaults, a pure devotee serves the yogi happily. They even carry out the toughest orders of the yogi. Intoxicated in Prabhu Prem, the yogi becomes oblivious of the world. Absorbed in Brahmanand, divine bliss, he becomes the seer of the divine sports of God. Jai Shri Guru Bhagavat.